got the brand new AC compressor, which is right here in this box. Go ahead and pull this out. So, as y'all look and see, brand new AC compressor. You feel me? These back doors and that entire passenger side, it was tore up. So I had to rebuild literally everything on this car. New transmission was put in about 4 years ago. And now I'm finna add AC, which like I said, I should have done this as soon as I bought the car. I should have put this AC compressor in it. But like I said, man, when I bought this car, I was too busy trying to get it rebuilt, you know what I'm saying, to where I can actually drive it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and this video I'm not gonna be working on the car just yet. I was gonna try and do it myself, but honestly I don't think I can. You feel what I'm saying? But I've owned this Charger. This is my daily. I drive this car every day. My daily. I've owned this Charger. It's a 2006 Charger for 7 years now. I bought this car back in 2017 when I was in high school because I needed something to drive. You know what I'm saying? And this car was wrecked. It had it needed a rebuild title. All that stuff, man. You feel me? This car was down bad, but I brought this car back to life, rebuilt it, had body work done to it, put a brand new transmission in here, and now my motor almost at 300,000 miles. And when I bought this car, I was probably at like right at 200. You know what I'm saying? I've been driving this car on the highway, going back and forth, out of town, in town. You know what I'm saying? The road trips and stuff with this car. I've done a lot, but throughout those entire 7 years, this car has never had AC. Never. So for 7 years in the hot heat during the summer, 90 plus 70, I mean, not no 70, 90 plus degrees, 100 plus degrees, I've been driving this car with no AC. You know what I'm saying? And it's my fault. You know, I could have went ahead and bought this AC compressor and had it installed and had it all done and stuff. But you feel me? Then I wasn't in the cars as heavily as I am now. You know what I'm saying? If y'all get what I'm talking about. So back then, I was just more so just cared about if I had transportation from point A to point B. You know what I'm saying? I didn't care about having AC because I would ride with my windows down. And I like riding with God's air coming in. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling his air and getting just, you feel me, the outside air instead of just playing AC all the time. But it's getting too hot and I can't stand it anymore. So a little sneak peek before we get out of the car. Went ahead and got an AC compressor. You know what I'm saying? So the reason why I needed this, when I first bought this car, during the summer of when I bought this car, you know what I'm saying? I bought this car in the winter, so that summer that came up, I tried to play my AC and realized it didn't work. So I went and bought Freon, bought 2 or 3 cans of Freon, put it in here, and we kept hearing something leak out, you know what I'm saying? So when my transmission went out, when it was at the shop, I asked the dude if he can look at my AC compressor to see what's going on, why it's not taking Freon, or if y'all want to call it refrigerant, you feel me? But we call it Freon. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people do as well. I was wondering why my car was not taking Freon, and he looked at it and he said my AC compressor has a big hole in it, so it wouldn't hold nothing. You know what I'm saying? He said I need a whole new AC compressor. So I told myself I was going to get it then when I had bought this new transmission and paid the dude to put it in. That was almost $1,000 there. But you feel what I'm saying? I didn't do it. And I just told myself, man, you just keep thugging it out. You done thugged it out for this long, why not keep thugging it out? But man, when I tell y'all, man, it's getting way too hot. Way too hot to try and drive with no AC. So got us a brand new AC compressor. Now all I gotta do is get it installed. Like I said, I was gonna try to do it myself. I watched a few videos, but you gotta take the whole front end off just to be able to access the AC compressor, because it's at the bottom of the motor. And you gotta take that crossbar off in the front, your action bar or whatever you want to call it, you feel me? It's a lot you got to do, and I just don't think I'm able to do that, you feel me? So I'm just gonna have to find somebody to put it in for me, and hopefully they can do it and it be quick. But I still got to get some Freon. I don't have no Freon no more, so I have to get some more Freon, probably 2-3 cans. And I finally have AC in this car after 7 years of owning this car. I'm finally finna have AC. and it's gonna be this summer, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully within the next few weeks, like 2 weeks, I can get this done, because I really need AC, man. If y'all can see, look and see now, I'm already sweating. And I literally just started this video. I just came outside and started this video, and I'm already sweating just from sitting in this hot car. And that's how I be when I'm driving around. Even though my windows be down, it still don't be enough air coming in. It's too hot, you know? So I needed this AC compressor, and I'm glad I finally got it. So like I said, now the only thing I got to do now is get it installed. So I hope y'all excited for that. Well, y'all really ain't gonna care too much, because y'all not the ones driving this and riding in this car, but I am. I'm excited, you feel me? It's gonna be the first time my charger, my daily, have AC, and I can finally play the AC in this car, you know? The heat work, but the AC don't. So that's one thing I definitely want to make sure, is all my cars have AC. So I want to work on doing that next for the box Chevy. My charger already not my charger, my Cutlass already has AC. So the only thing I gotta do with my Cutlass is put Freon in it. You know what I'm saying? The Cutlass is the original motor. Nothing was done or changed to that motor. The AC, none of the AC components was taken out of anything. So yeah, man, the only thing I gotta do, like I said, is get the one for this car. So I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so don't mind the background noise, just cicadas and stuff. So first thing I need to do is go ahead and pop this hood. Try and do this one-handed. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Got it. All right, now I can't do it one-handed till I put that thing up there. Another thing I'm gonna do soon is add the struts for the hood. I'm gonna add that up in here, you know what I'm saying, just so I won't have to keep using this thing to prop it up. So that's another thing I'm gonna be doing soon, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot I'm trying to do with these cars. But yeah, man, the AC compressor is down there. I think it's that one. See, it's that one, or yeah, I think it's that one. I think that's the AC compressor. So if y'all look, y'all see the belt go around that loop right there. I think that's the AC compressor. I don't think it's this one, but I know it's one of them two bottom ones for sure. And like I said, I watched the video and they had to take it. I didn't watch them take the AC compressor off. I just watched the beginning of it, and they took this front bumper off, and they had to remove this brace right here. So I don't feel like doing all that, and yeah, I don't want to. I just put coolant in here yesterday and mixed it with water, and it's already getting back low. I must have a leak somewhere. Yeah, man, like I said, man, we got the brand new AC compressor, which is right here in this box. Go ahead and pull this out. So as y'all look and see, brand new AC compressor. It just needs to get thrown on, and I need to throw some Freon in here. So like I said, man, I'm excited. I ain't never had AC in this car, and I'm finally finna have AC in this car, you know, after 7 long years. Finally finna have AC in this car, and all because I decided to just wait on this compressor. But like I said, man, it got too hot. Yeah, I think it's that one. It's definitely that one. So if y'all look right there, that one is the AC compressor. And I tried to go under the car. I tried to do, you feel me, off camera. Like, I tried this yesterday. I tried to go under the car. Maybe I could lift the car up with my ramps, but man, honestly, I don't think I can get to it. You feel me? All these lines is in the way. Yeah, I don't think I can. So I'm gonna have to find somebody that can throw this in the car for me, so I can finally have some AC. And most likely I'm gonna put the Freon in my car myself. You know what I'm saying? If not, I'm gonna have them do that as well. That way, all I gotta do is go pick it up and drive with AC in my car, man. Now, I know it ain't practical, you feel me, for your daily to not have AC, but you feel me, a lot of people drive their old schools with no AC, which is something I'm starting to hate. You know, I really want to put AC in my box Chevy as well. My Cutlass is good. Only thing I gotta do is throw Freon in there. So at least as of right now, at least I have one car with AC. And now I'm gonna have 2, then I'm gonna work on doing a box Chevy as well, so then I'll have 3. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the AC compressor. For the first time in 7 years, my charger, my daily, the car I drive every day is going to have AC. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, I'm excited. Gonna have to plug it up. Yeah, man, I'm excited. So, I was gonna try and do it myself. Like I said, man, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Put it in there. put the belt back on. You gotta loosen the tension of the belt so you can get that other one off, and then tighten the tension back up so the belt will go back on. But yeah, man, like I said, honestly, I don't think I can. And I still ain't messed with this air intake yet. Like I said, I gotta get some extra piping to where I can make it do a cuffling over here so to actually get the cold AC from this little vent here going into there. Cold AC, the cold air going into the vent of the intake, you know what I'm saying? Still ain't done that yet. Like I said, I've been being lazy with my daily because this stuff, it's been working, you know what I'm saying? This been working and it ain't caused no problems. And I still ain't got my sensor in. So yeah, it's a lot I still need to do with this car, you know what I'm saying? But I plan on motor swapping. I want to put a scat motor in here or a Hellcat motor if I can get one pretty cheap, about 4, 5, 6,000. And I plan on doing that, but I'm gonna keep running this motor until this motor give out on me. But yeah, man, I'm excited. Gonna finally have AC. And yeah, just gotta go from there, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, what y'all think in the comment section down below. I'm excited, man. I'm excited to get some AC in this car, finally. And yeah, man, this all they come with, you know, it just come with the compressor. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Advance and see and price really the Freon. I'm thinking it's gonna be like $7 a can, $5 a can, somewhere around there. And get 2 to 3 cans, so spend about $30 getting some Freon. Put the Freon in, and that should be it, man. You know, that should be it. So yeah, man, I'm excited. I hope y'all excited too. This car running, man. Like I said, man, I done had this car for 7 years now. I bought it literally as soon as I turned 16. I went and cashed out on this car, you know what I'm saying? 2017, I went and cashed out on it. And this car was towed up, you know, I had to rebuild dang near everything on this car. Y'all look here. Door is locked. So this is the only original door on this car. This was body worked because it was bent in. This is a different door. Both of my passenger sides are different doors because I had to go to the junkyard and get them doors because, you feel me, these back doors and that entire passenger side, it was tore up. So I had to rebuild literally everything on this car. New transmission was put in about 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And now I'm finna add AC, which like I said, I should have done this as soon as I bought the car. I should have put this AC compressor in it. But like I said, man, when I bought this car, I was too busy trying to get it rebuilt, you know what I'm saying, to where I can actually drive it. I didn't care about AC, so like I told you, I spent a lot of money just rebuilding this car. I paid a body shop to do the body work. I don't know, I think I spent like $400 on body work getting done. Then I had to buy paint for this car, and me and my dad sprayed it myself, which was a plus. I had saved a little bit of money there. But this car was sitting on bricks, so I had to buy wheels to put on it just to get it back home. Then my dad gave me these wheels, these 22s. The transmission and install was $1,000. The doors, I went to a junkyard, I got all 3 doors, spent about $300-400 there. And then like little miscellaneous stuff, you feel me, like interior parts I bought. I didn't need, but I got it, you feel me. And then this coolant reservoir. And then I bought that intake, was $100. Yeah, man, I've done a little bit of little things. I bought this grill, didn't have this grill on there, and these were new headlights housing when I bought them, but they're not new anymore, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said, man, it's a lot I've done to this car. Now I'm gonna add AC. Just gotta find a shop to do it. Like I told you, I would try it, but it's a lot, and I know it's gonna take me a while to do it. When I just get a shop to do it and they have it done in like a day or so, you feel me? So yeah, man, new AC compressor will be going on very soon. Y'all just stay tuned for that. And I will finally have AC in my car. And like I said, I'm super excited. I ain't never had AC in this car ever. It was probably wasn't none in here probably for longer than the 7 years I done owned this car, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, finally finna have AC. And like I said, man, I'm super excited. So I hope y'all excited too, even though y'all really won't feel it, but I will. I know, you feel me? I know, and then I'll tell y'all. So yeah, man, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Put my AC compressor back up. And yeah, I just gotta find a shop to install it, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so like I said, man, after seven long years, bro, of me owning this car. Finally gonna have AC. And like I say, ain't no telling how long the AC been out on this car. It really, you feel me, before I bought it, ain't no telling. So yeah, man, I'm so excited to finally be able to use, well, I use this during the winter time, but be able to use the AC part, you feel me, the cold part, and then put the extra code on, you know what I'm saying? I've never been able to use it, and now I'm finally finna be able to. I'm so excited to have some AC in this car, bro. I hope y'all excited for me, you know what I'm saying, to have AC in this car, because it gets way too hot in here. That's why I hate sitting at stoplights or going through drive-thrus or any of that stuff in this car, because it don't have AC, especially during the daytime when the sun is beaming. It just get too hot, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I just got tired of it, so I went ahead and got this AC compressor. And this AC compressor, you feel me, I had ordered one off Amazon, but I didn't need it because I ended up finding this one local and I ain't feel like waiting no more, so went ahead and canceled that one. So got this one local, was $130, you feel me, pretty expensive for an AC compressor in my opinion, but everything expensive now, so can't complain, you feel me? And can't complain to have AC. I need AC, so regardless, I had to get it, you feel what I'm saying? As y'all look and see, I'm already starting to sweat again just from sitting in this car. This car, it attracts heat, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm super excited to have this AC compressor installed and have AC in my car, you feel what I'm saying? Now, I read this little thing, it popped up on my TikTok feed, that when somebody has said riding with your windows down drains more gas than having your AC on. And every time I'm riding with my moms or my pops, you feel me, and I be like, can y'all just let the window up and play y'all AC? Y'all got AC, you feel me? Well, can y'all play it? Can y'all put your AC on? They be like, nah, AC drain your gas out. And I said that to them. I was like, y'all, I seen this video and somebody is like, riding with your windows down drains your gas more than riding with AC, you feel me? And y'all just leave y'all opinions. What y'all think? Y'all think it drains y'all AC with the AC, drain y'all gas more with the AC on or with the windows down? My opinion, I think it's the windows down, and I forgot exactly what I had said to him, but yeah, that's my opinion. But yeah, man, I can't wait to have this AC installed, and when I get it installed, I'm gonna make another video and show and let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? I can cut it on now, but it's gonna blast some heat. Y'all can't feel it, but man, this mug blast some heat, you know what I'm saying? It blasts some heat out, man. Actually, well, it ain't hot, but yeah, man, I can't do it, you feel me? So I hope y'all are excited just like I am. Like I said, man, I hope y'all excited for me to get this AC installed. I'm so ready to get this AC installed. I can finally have AC in this car, you feel what I'm saying? Something I need badly, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, it wasn't nothing but me telling y'all a little backstory on this car. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Wait, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.